Hello everyone, welcome back. What I have here is the same Euro that I just picked in the last video. It's a BKS. We're going to pick the other end of it. Now the last video was 30 minutes long, and what I'm trying to do here is demonstrate why us pickers will pick a lock once or twice before we actually start rolling the film and recording it, because a 30-minute video is just not entertaining, not to me anyway, and most people are not going to sit through a 30-minute video. Now, it was my first time picking this lock. It was my first time using these tools from Foxxy. It was my first time gutting a full Euro, so I mean, nobody wants to see all that. And it's open. And we're going to gut this in. If I can get the vise to move. Since my pinning pad is over here full of the guts from the other end, I'm just going to use this napkin. Alright. Spin it around. There we go. I'll knock this clip off. Alright, now this should just pull right on out. Ooh, I see. Got to go under that part. Well, it just wouldn't be complete without some kind of hang up, would it? And there's our first driver pin. All right. Finally, get your shit together, Frosty. All right. Now the key pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This one had 2 wafers in it as well. All right. Now our first driver pin, standard with a wafer. Get that spring out. Second pin, spool. Third is a standard with a wafer. There's our spring. Fourth is a spool. Fifth is a spool. And sixth was a spool. All right. Anyway, there it is. Picked and gutted in what I would say is a normal amount of time. Sorry for the napkin, but my little pinning mat's in use. There's our pins. Alright. And that, my friends, is why we pick a lock before we make a video. Hope that helps. Hope you enjoyed it. And I mangled that spring. I gotta practice with these 3D printed tools a little bit more, especially this. Oh, get a frame. I gotta practice with this more, the little front loader. But that's it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.